Hey, and welcome to my channel. My name is Carrera. If this is your first time here, I make videos on all things beauty, fashion, wellness, and lifestyle. If this is not your first time here, hey girl, hey, welcome back. So today's video is going to be basically a September haul. Things that I purchased throughout the month of September. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, this might be a little boring because basically it's all shoes, with the exception of one item. I went a little crazy this month. I don't know why I bought all these shoes, but nevertheless, I'm pleased with all my purchases. So if you're interested in seeing, stick around. But before we start this video, I just need you to do one thing. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit that button right below there, that red button that says subscribe. And if you're really interested, there's another button right to the side of it. It looks like a little bell. You can select that for notifications. Basically, it'll let you know every time that I upload a video, which will be every Wednesday. But just in case you forget, you can just hit that notification button. So let's get started. Okay. And forgive me if you see me looking down. I'm just looking at my notes for all my purchases. So the first thing here is going to be my one item that's not a pair of shoes. And it's actually this perfume here. This is the Signorina Eleganza by Salvatore Ferragamo. Alright, so this perfume, I'm actually the type of girl that I like to have a signature scent. My signature scent, I would say, is Chanel Coco Mademoiselle. I've been wearing that scent since I was like 21, so about 8 years now. However, I was gifted this perfume, I want to say probably about 3 years ago as a birthday gift from my cousin. Was it 3 years ago? Yeah, 3 years ago as a birthday gift from my cousin. And I fell in love with it. So when I ran out, I just went and looked to see if I could get another bottle, and the price point surprised me. You can get it anywhere, like depending on the site you get it from, it's depending on the price and the size. But I got this from this website called the Brand Outlet. It basically has discount fragrances, so I paid $49 for this. I think the actual price, like official price, maybe like on the website or other places, it's a little bit more expensive, but I paid $49 for this. And compared to my Coco Mademoiselle, a lot cheaper. So this is a scent that I use daily. And my Coco Mademoiselle, I typically wear like if I'm going out somewhere on weekends and things like that. So this is my go-to everyday perfume. I'm terrible at describing scents. So I really couldn't describe this to you. I'm terrible with that. But it's a good scent, and it's nice if you want like a designer fragrance for a low price. Like I said, I paid $49 for this from the Brand Outlet, and it will be linked below. And yeah, even like you see the packaging, it's so cute, little bow on the top. So shout out to my cousin Tramel, gifted this to me for my 26th birthday. I've been in love ever since. Now, on to the shoes. Alright, so I'm not going in the order that I purchased them, I'm just going in the order that I have them lined up here. The first pair that I'm going to share with you is a pair of Tory Burch flats. These are the mini travel ballet suede flats, and I got them in the color gray heron. I've been wearing Tory Burch shoes. I've been wearing the shoes for a while now, probably about 5-6 years. I know I was in college. I don't know. Some time ago I started wearing them, but I love Tory Burch flats because they're great for work. So for work I dress business casual, and so I have about two other black pairs that I wear for work. One pair is an older design that they don't actually even make anymore, but it's similar to, sorry, I haven't worn them yet, so I'm just taking them out the packaging. This pair here is similar to the pair that they don't make anymore. I want to say it's called the Riva flat. I'll notate it somewhere here on the screen or something like that. But yeah, so I like the Riva flat, so this was the closest thing I could get to that flat because the old one was discontinued. So this is the flat, and it comes in like a suede material, so I'm going to have to spray some Scotch Guard on it, so just to protect them. But yeah, so it's a travel flat too, so it actually folds. I doubt that I'll ever do this, but you know, that option is there for you. I've tried them on, pretty comfy. With Tory Burch shoes, I always have to go up a half size, so I'm typically a 9. I got these in a 9.5. I haven't worn them yet, so I can't really tell you about the full comfort level, but just generally putting them on for the first time, they were pretty comfortable. Which I could say with some Tory Burch shoes has not always been the case. Like I would have to break them in. But these, like by first feel, they feel pretty comfortable. But let's see if I wear them for a little while. Maybe I'll give you guys an update. If you want an update after I wear these for a while, because I feel like this design is fairly new. I don't know. Don't get me lying. But if you want some type of update or review or something, I can do that. Just comment below if you want that. So yeah, this is Tory Burch mini travel flats. These go for $228. However, they are currently on sale. I got these from Zappos and I got them for $171. I got it was 25% off. I happened to be on Nordstrom's website yesterday, and they actually have them on sale too, and I believe the same price. So catch them now. I guess all the retailers are having like a pre-fall sale. Well, actually, it's fall now. As of Monday, it was fall. So yeah, so catch them while you can, because I did see that they're selling out. And if you haven't purchased a pair of Tory Burch shoes before, I advise ordering a half size up. Because it seems like every single one of their shoes I had to order a half size up for to be comfortable. Alright, on to the next. Now these next pair, they're not really, like I could probably get away with these for the beginning of fall, but these are more like a summer spring shoe. But y'all, I've been on the hunt for these shoes for forever. Now, only disappointing part about them, initially when I first saw them, I saw them on Nordstrom's website, and I saw them in 3 colors, but the red ones, oh my gosh. I saw them, I felt like I needed them. But me, I'm the type of person now that I don't pay full price for anything. I gotta find like some type of coupon code, gotta be some type of sale for me to pay for it. Back in the day, I was foolish. I used to do those type of things, spending like thousands of dollars on shoes and stuff. I don't do that anymore. So these, I think they originally retailed for like $1 something. Not super expensive, but I was trying to wait for them to go on sale. Sometimes when you wait for things to go on sale, you miss out, because I waited so long that they end up selling out before they even put them on sale. So I was Googling, trying to find them. I could not find them in red, but I found them in black. And y'all, I am in love. Oh my gosh. Well, I really love anything that has a little fringe on it, but these, let me take the tissue out. These are the Cecilia New York Fricks Pump. Y'all. So I haven't worn these yet either. I haven't worn any of the shoes in this video just yet, but I've tried them all on. These shoes, I'm so in love. I feel like they're classic. I'll have them for a while to come. They felt so comfortable putting on. I was a little nervous because I bought them in a 9, and as of late, I don't know. So it seems like more shoes that are on the designer end, they tend to run small. I wasn't really sure how these would run because I never purchased anything from this brand before, but I bought the 9. They fit perfect. I was very happy. I haven't been this happy about a pair of shoes purchased in such a long time, so I cannot wait to style these. These I found them shockingly on Amazon. And how much did I pay for these? I paid $35.18 for these shoes. Now, mind you, I said they were like 100 and something before. $35.18. Y'all, I can't wait to wear them. They feel so comfortable. They look comfortable. This fringe right here, oh, so soft. Yeah, I can't wait to style these. Like, if you guys want a video on just me styling these just a bunch of different ways, let me know. But I'll definitely have a link to these down in the bottom. They have one more color on Amazon's website too. That color is definitely like a summer springy color, but they were even cheaper than these. So, you know, if you're to say, I buy things prior, like as the season's ending, because for one, most of the items that I purchase, they're always like timeless pieces. Sometimes I get things that are trendy, but I try to stay away from that because I like to invest in my pieces and let them, you know, if I'm paying a little more for them, I want them to last a while. So, although I pay only $35 for these, but most of the things that I purchase, I tend to spend a little bit of money on, but with the idea in mind that I'll have them for a long while. So if you're interested, the link will be below, and you'll probably see the other color, which I saw they had them for a cheaper price, and hop on them because I feel like even come next year, you'll still be able to wear these too. So yeah. In love, in love, in love. All right, on to the next. You guys actually seen these ones already if you watch some of my previous videos. But one of my previous videos, they're in them. My how to style white after Labor Day video. So these are a pair of Tony Bianco. What do they call these boots? Oh, Tony Bianco Freddy boot. So they look like this. So yeah, these look pretty familiar, right? You've seen these in the last video. So these run very small. So the ones you saw in the last video, I actually had to send back because, you know, they were too small. So I just, you know, for the sake of filming the video and getting it out on time, I did just put them on for the video. But I think I purchased them initially like in a 9 or a 9.5. But whatever size it was too small. But I ended up sending them back, exchanging them for a size 10. The size 10 fits perfect. This is like I was saying, a lot of the designer shoes, they tend to run smaller. So I forget which country Freddy Bianco is based out of. If I remember, I'll put it in the clip. But these boots, yeah. So I've been wanting a pair of white ankle boots for a while. Although I'm making these how to style videos, I could not figure out how to style them. So when I came up with the idea of making the how to style white after Labor Day video, I was like, oh, perfect opportunity to get the boots. So I purchased them from Revolve, and the link will be below. Purchased them from Revolve, also with a coupon. They came, these worked out perfectly with the outfit I styled them with in that previous video. And then I have a few other ideas of how I want to style them as well. So yeah, I'm excited for these boots. They look pretty comfy. I haven't worn these yet. So they look and feel pretty comfy. Try to give you guys some updates, you know, as the season goes on and I'm wearing these different shoes. All right, now on to our last and final purchase from September, from our September haul. These boots, I've been wanting these boots for so long. You ever want something so long and every time you try to get it didn't work out, so you're like, okay, probably wasn't meant for me to have them. But then all of a sudden I found them again. So let me just be clear here. So I've seen them other places, but as I mentioned earlier, I do not pay full price for anything. So I've seen them for their standard price plenty of places, but when I wanted to purchase them, I saw them on DSW's website. I think I didn't purchase them. What was the reason I didn't purchase them? I think it was to think of they didn't have my size or something. I don't remember. However, they came back in stock in DSW and I got them from there. But y'all, so I got these boots. And when I tell you online, these boots look beautiful. And when I tell you in person, these boots look beautiful as well. But when I put them on my feet, I don't really know too much if I want. I don't know. So these are the Stuart Weitzman Reserve over the knee boot. And this is what they look like. Yeah, so they're a suede boot. They come in suede and they come in like calf skin leather as well. And I got them in the suede. I got these in a size 9. I like the way these boots look. I like the way they feel. And I love Stuart Weitzman shoes. Like every single pair of Stuart Weitzman shoes that I have always been super comfortable. I have the Highland boots. Y'all, I'm gonna have them forever because those are the most comfortable boots. And even when they get run down, I'm gonna buy another pair. I think I've had them about 2 years now and they still look good. I take them to the cobbler every so often to get clean because they're suede as well. But these look great. So my only reservation with them, and funny, these are called the reserve boot. My only reservation with them is that when I put them on, around the ankle section, it makes my ankle look really skinny and just look awkward. It looks awkward because I already have relatively large feet, I'm size 9. So if it's not like an even proportion from the foot to the leg, it looks a little awkward. So when I put them on, it looks super skinny at the ankle. I don't like that look. So I tried them on with a pair of thick socks, and it looked a bit better. It wasn't too bad. I didn't try them on with jeans or anything just yet, because it's still relatively warm when I purchased them. But I just wanted to try them on and basically get a feel for how they fit. I don't know. I'm still undecided if I want to keep them or not, especially because there's another pair of Stuart Weitzman leather boots that I kind of want to get. Those ones are calfskin leather, so it would be a different boot essentially, but they both would serve the same purpose. And I'm not balling, so I don't need two pair of $600 boots, you know, one being calfskin and one being suede. I could do one or the other. So I'm thinking I might send these back and get the other ones. Only thing with the other ones, they're not on sale. So those ones are full price, $6.95 on Nordstrom. These ones, oh, lost my spot. These ones are, so most full price on most websites, they're $6.95, but on DSW they are $3.99. And then the awesome thing about DSW, I need to make, no, DSW need to sponsor me. I'm not even gonna go into too much details, but DSW is great. I'm gonna just say that, like, they have, like, their VIP program is awesome. You get points and you get money off, and then also you get coupons, and you can use multiple coupons at a time. So although these were $3.99 from DSW, I only paid $2.99 for them, because from shopping there, I ended up getting enough points and coupons that I got a whole $100 off. And I think they were having like a promotion that day too, so I think it was a mixture of my points, coupons, and whatever promotions that they had going on, that I only ended up paying $300 as opposed to $400. So then again, I don't know, maybe I might just keep them for that sweet deal that I got. So I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. Do any of you have these boots? And tell me how you feel about the ankle part. Or if you don't have these boots, but you have a boot with a similar design and you have that issue where the ankle part is like really thin. Yeah, tell me what you do to like fix that, I guess, if it can be fixed. Yeah, because I really want to keep them. They're so cute. They felt pretty nice when I put them on. It's just that ankle part, that awkward ankle part, I'm just not crazy about. So yeah, so that is my haul for September. If you made it this far, I thank you for watching. Once again, if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or if you want to see more videos like this. Stay tuned, more videos coming soon. Every Wednesday they'll be coming out, so be on the lookout for that. If you put that notification on, you don't even have to worry about remembering. It's gonna alert you, so do that too if you like. Yeah, so thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.